Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can do hard reset in your Galaxy M05 model. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on search. Here you have to write reset, then click on factory data reset. You can see this, and all of your data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, videos, other user data, including your SD card also. If you have one, you have to eject first, then including your Gmail ID and all of this data. So click on reset and it will erase all data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.